One of the great things about working with masks inside of Flash is you have the ability to animate them. I'm still working with the same document that we were working with in the last movie. What I'm going to do is unlock both of these layers, and after doing that, I'm going to move the car back towards the center of the stage. Then what I want to do is extend out the timeline for the car layer. I can do that by coming over to frame 35 and pressing F5 on the keyboard. Remember, that inserts a frame, which will extend the timeline. Now, really, you can do whatever you want in terms of the animation. I'm going to come over to frame 15 on the mask layer and press F6 on the keyboard to insert a keyframe. I'm just going to move this shape over here towards the bottom left corner. Then I'm going to come over to frame 35 and press F7 to insert a blank keyframe. Remember, a blank keyframe will clear the contents of that layer. What I'd like to do is choose the rectangle tool. With the rectangle tool, I'm going to draw a rectangle around the entire image like so. Then I'm going to simply right-click between the first two keyframes, and in the contextual menu, I'm going to choose Shape Tween. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing in between the next two keyframes. I'm going to right-click or Control-click, and I'm going to choose Create Shape Tween. If you lock both layers now, you can see that the mask animates. And not only is it animating, it's morphing because we're working with a shape tween animation. I'll just scrub the playhead to play the animation a little bit slower than what the playhead will play at when playing it. So there, if you're watching just the video and not following along, you can see what the animation looks like. There you go. So animating masks inside of Flash is just like animating any other shape or object, but you have the added bonus that it is a mask, so it will animate as it reveals and hides content on the layer underneath it.